Hi there. Welcome to our channel. My name's Jack, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. In this video, we're going to talk about something that's really fun and useful: cooking. Cooking is one of those skills that can really change your life. And don't worry, if you feel like it's a bit tricky right now, that's completely okay. You'll learn how to make simple and delicious meals, even if you've never cooked before. It's a skill that gets better the more you practice, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. So, let's dive in. Why does cooking matter? Well, it's a big part of daily life. When you cook for yourself, you can save money, eat healthier, and even share great meals with your friends or family. And trust me, nothing feels better than enjoying a meal that you made with your own hands. Ah, that's the best feeling. Now, let's get started with some simple tips. Don't worry if you don't have fancy tools or a lot of time. You can cook amazing meals with just a few things in your kitchen. Here's the first tip. Tip number 1. Start with something simple. It's okay if you're new to cooking, start with easy recipes. You don't need to cook a huge fancy meal right away. Try something like a simple pasta dish, a sandwich, or a salad. For example, you can make a pasta with just noodles, some sauce, and maybe a little cheese. Wow, it's so easy, and you'll feel so proud of yourself. Why does this help? Well, the best way to get better at cooking is by practicing. And starting with small, simple dishes makes it less stressful. You'll see how fun it can be. And guess what? You'll make mistakes, and that's totally okay. Every mistake teaches you something new. Let's try a quick example. Here's a super simple sentence you can repeat. I'm making pasta. Try saying it with me. I'm making pasta. Good job. Keep practicing this in your daily life when you cook at home. It'll help you get more comfortable speaking and cooking at the same time. Tip number 2. Be confident with your ingredients. When you're cooking, don't be afraid of the ingredients you use. You don't need to know everything about them. Just take a look at your kitchen and start with what you already have. For example, if you have some vegetables, some eggs, and a bit of bread, you can make a simple meal. Try an egg sandwich or a veggie stir-fry. Simple, right? Why does this help? Well, when you're confident with what you have, it makes cooking more fun and less stressful. You won't worry about not having the perfect ingredients because you'll know how to make something great with what you've got. Let's practice a sentence for this tip. I can use what I have to make a meal. Try it with me. I can use what I have to make a meal. Keep repeating that and it'll help you feel more confident in the kitchen and in your English. Tip number 3. Use your senses. When you cook, use all your senses. Look at your food, smell it, and taste it. This is so important because cooking is not just about following a recipe. It's about being in the moment and enjoying the process. When something smells good, that means it's probably ready. When it looks golden and crispy, that's your sign to take it off the heat. Why does this help? It helps you connect with the food and feel more comfortable in the kitchen. You'll learn to trust your senses, and that will make you a better cook. Plus, it's so much fun to experience all the smells and colors of your cooking. Let's practice with a simple sentence. It smells so good. Repeat after me. It smells so good. Perfect! Now you can say this when something delicious is cooking. It's a great phrase to use when you're excited about your meal. Okay, those are the first 3 tips to help you get started with cooking. Remember, it's totally okay if things don't go perfectly at first. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Keep it simple, have fun, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning, and every meal is a new opportunity to get better. I'll stop here for now, and once you're ready, just say yes, and I'll share more tips to keep you cooking like a pro. You're doing great already, and I can't wait to see you in the kitchen again soon.
Now that you've learned the first 3 tips, let's keep going. You're doing amazing so far, really. Remember, cooking is not about being perfect, it's about having fun, learning, and making something you love. Tip number 4. Keep your kitchen clean and ready. This one is important. When your kitchen is clean, cooking feels easier and more relaxing. Before you start, wash the dishes, clear the counter, and get your ingredients ready. This makes cooking faster and helps you feel calm. For example, you can say, I clean my kitchen before I cook. Try it with me. I clean my kitchen before I cook. Good. Keep that as your daily habit. A clean kitchen gives you a clear mind. Why does this help? Because when your space is ready, you can focus on enjoying the process, not worrying about the mess. Cooking becomes peaceful, almost like a little meditation time. Tip number 5, taste as you go. Oh wow, this one is so fun. When you cook, don't wait until the very end to taste. Try a little bit while cooking. Add a little salt, maybe a bit of pepper. Taste again. Now it's perfect. You can say, I taste my food while I cook. Let's say it together. I taste my food while I cook. See, that's an easy sentence and a great daily phrase. Why is this important? Because tasting helps you learn balance. You'll start to understand what makes food taste good. Not too salty, not too bland, just right. You'll build your food intuition one bite at a time. Tip number 6, make it part of your daily life. Cooking doesn't have to be a big event. It can be something small you do every day, like making breakfast, or preparing tea, or toasting bread. These little moments count too. You can say, I cook every day, even something small. Let's practice. I cook every day, even something small. Perfect. Why does this help? Because small, daily habits help you stay consistent. You don't need hours, just 10 or 15 minutes to cook something simple. Over time, you'll notice how much better you've become. Tip number 7, cook for someone you care about. Cooking for yourself is wonderful, but cooking for someone else is a special joy. When you make a meal for your friend, family, or even a neighbor, it's an act of love. You share warmth and kindness through food. You can say, I love cooking for my family. Try it with me. I love cooking for my family. Ah, beautiful. That simple sentence holds so much meaning. Why does this matter? Because cooking connects people. It's more than food. It's about love, care, and friendship. When you share your food, you also share your heart. Tip number 8, celebrate your progress. Every meal you make is a little victory. Maybe your rice turned out great today. Maybe your omelet looked perfect. Or maybe you just didn't burn anything. That's still a win. You can say, I'm getting better at cooking. Repeat with me. I'm getting better at cooking. Yes, you are. You really are. Why does this help? Because when you celebrate small wins, you feel proud and motivated to keep going. Learning any new skill, cooking or English, takes time, but every small step matters. Now, let's take a moment together. Close your eyes and imagine your favorite dish. Maybe it's warm soup, maybe it's pancakes, maybe it's spicy noodles. Picture yourself making it, slowly, happily, confidently. Smell it. Feel it. That's your goal. You can do that, step by step. Cooking is not only about food, it's about peace, creativity, and love. It's about taking care of yourself and the people around you. And when you cook in English, when you say the names of ingredients, describe what you're doing, you're practicing 2 skills at once. That's powerful. So keep going, my friend. Keep cooking, keep speaking, keep smiling. It's okay to make mistakes. It means you're learning. It's okay to go slow. It means you care. I'm proud of you for being here today. Say it with me one last time. I can cook. I can learn. I can improve. Yes, you did it. Thanks for joining me today. Keep your fire burning, keep your kitchen full of love, and remember, you're doing great. See you next time.